For decades, scientists believed the moon was silent. But in 2024, a strange seismic echo sent through the lunar crust suggested something hollow, something artificial. At first, NASA dismissed it as instrument error until the same signal repeated 14 days later. This time, it wasn't noise. It was a pattern, a pulse, as if something beneath the surface was responding. Internal documents describe it as structured resonance not found in natural formations. That's when NASA quietly launched a new mission, one that never made it to the public calendar. The spacecraft they sent was disguised as a routine orbital scan, but its real purpose, scan the exact coordinates of the lunar echo, and the scans revealed something impossible, a perfect circular weakness beneath the regolith. Not a cave, not a crack, but a doorway-shaped void carved with geometric precision. NASA engineers debated for hours, natural or constructed. The answer would change everything. A rover was deployed. Its instructions were simple: descend, record, and return. But nothing about what it found was simple. As it entered the crack in the surface, its cameras adjusted to total darkness. Then, faint markings began to appear. Lines, symbols, shapes no rover should be seeing inside a natural tunnel. The deeper it went, the more structured the architecture became. Smooth walls, repeating patterns, not carved by time, made with intention. The tunnel opened into a massive chamber, a room larger than a football field, smooth metallic floors, but not metal we recognize. Supports shaped like ribs ran along the ceiling. At the center stood a structure resembling a pedestal, almost ceremonial. The rover circled it, scanning. That's when NASA realized the pedestal wasn't empty. Something rested on it, a curved object like an ancient artifact or a device waiting to be activated. Right before the rover touched it, the feed cut out. Not because of damage, because something shut it off. The rover returned to the surface hours later, but with its memory wiped clean. Navigation logs deleted, visual data corrupted. Only one file remained intact, a single frame from the hidden room, showing the artifact emitting a faint glow, like it woke up when the rover approached. NASA classified the mission instantly. The chamber still exists. The artifact is still there. And the echo? It hasn't stopped. Some researchers believe it's now responding, as if whatever lies beneath the moon knows it's been found. For all of human history, the moon has been our constant celestial companion, a glowing beacon in the night sky that has inspired wonder, curiosity, and countless stories. From ancient myths to modern science, the moon has always held a special place in our collective imagination. It is a silent watcher in the night sky, quietly observing the passage of time as civilizations rise and fall beneath its gaze. We've charted its craters, mapped its mountains, and even walked upon its surface, thinking we knew it well. The footprints of astronauts and the tracks of robotic explorers mark our attempts to unravel its mysteries. But beneath its quiet, unchanging exterior lies a story of a fiery and tumultuous past, a tale that is only now beginning to be revealed. This story isn't written in the dust or etched on the surface, but deep within its core, revealed through subtle shifts in gravity and the faintest traces of heat. What lies hidden under the lunar ground is more astonishing than we ever imagined. Layers of rock and ancient lava flows conceal secrets that have been locked away for billions of years. The moon's secrets have long been the stuff of science fiction, fueling dreams of hidden worlds and lost civilizations. But now, science itself is uncovering mysteries that rival the wildest tales. The latest chapter in this unfolding story involves the discovery of a hidden chamber of warmth, a remnant from a time when the moon was not the cold, silent world we see today, but a place of intense volcanic activity and internal heat. This discovery forces us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the moon's life story. It suggests that the moon has been far more dynamic and alive than we ever suspected. Is the moon truly a solid, unchanging rock? Recent findings suggest otherwise. Its surface may appear frozen in time, but deep within, echoes of ancient energy still linger. Astronomers have detected a zone of unusual warmth deep within the moon, a ghostly remnant of the energy that once shaped its surface and interior. This isn't just a scientific curiosity. It could unlock the secrets of how the moon formed, how it cooled, and how it evolved over billions of years. Each new clue brings us closer to understanding our closest neighbor. It hints at a history of colossal volcanic eruptions and dramatic geological changes that shaped the moon's face, leaving behind vast plains and towering mountains. This hidden warmth is a direct link to that ancient fiery world, a world that existed long before humans gazed up in wonder. By learning to read these subtle signs, we gain insight not only into the moon, but into the processes that shape planets and moons across the entire cosmos. The moon becomes a key to understanding the evolution of worlds beyond our own. The moon is finally starting to whisper its secrets to us, sharing stories that have been locked away for eons. This discovery is a message from the deep past, a reminder that even the most familiar worlds can surprise us. We are learning more about the chaotic and beautiful processes that shape celestial bodies, from violent impacts to volcanic eruptions, and how these forces create the diversity we see in our solar system. The silent moon, once thought to be a world of stillness, is finally starting to whisper its secrets to us, and we are only just beginning to listen. How do you find a hidden warm room inside a celestial body millions of miles away? Imagine trying to uncover secrets buried deep beneath the surface of the moon, where no human or robot has ever set foot. The challenge is immense, but the solution is both elegant and invisible. The answer lies in gravity. Gravity is not just a force that keeps us grounded. It's a subtle messenger, carrying clues about what lies beneath the surface of worlds far from Earth. If a ball has a dense lump inside, gravity is stronger over that spot. This is gravity mapping. By measuring these tiny differences, scientists can detect hidden structures, like denser rocks or even pockets of warmth, deep inside a planet or moon. NASA measures these tiny variations to map beneath the surface. Sensitive instruments aboard spacecraft detect even the slightest changes in gravitational pull, translating them into detailed data. The moon flexes under Earth's gravity, revealing its interior composition. As the moon orbits Earth, it stretches and compresses, and these movements tell us about its hidden layers. A warmer interior deforms more easily than a cold one. This difference in flexibility helps scientists estimate the temperature and composition deep inside. This technique acts like a cosmic compass, pointing to differences in density and temperature. It's as if NASA has a way to see through rock and dust using only the language of gravity. It allows for a full-body scan without touching the ground. No drilling, no digging, just pure science, reading the invisible signals that gravity provides. Scientists create detailed maps of the moon's internal structure, revealing hidden features. These maps help us understand how the moon formed, evolved, and what secrets it still holds. Spacecraft orbit the moon, measuring changes in distance to build a gravity map. Each orbit adds more detail, sharpening our picture of the moon's mysterious interior. This map led NASA to the moon's hidden, warm secret. An underground world revealed not by sight, but by the gentle tug of gravity itself. Using gravity mapping technology, NASA uncovered something astonishing. A large, warm region was found beneath the moon's near side. This thermal anomaly was unexpected, a remnant of volcanic activity. The warmth is from radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. This natural furnace has been warming the lunar interior for billions of years. The feature underlies many dark plains, ancient lava flows. It connects surface features with deep processes that created them. This discovery changes our understanding of the moon's history. To understand the hidden warm room, we travel back in time. Billions of years ago, the moon was a dynamic world with colossal eruptions. Rivers of molten rock created the lunar seas we see today. The warm zone is a ghost of this fiery past. Radioactive elements concentrated in magma created volcanic plains. The hidden room is a granite intrusion, a cooled magma body. It's a geological ghost, a testament to the moon's energy. This discovery paints a detailed picture of the moon's volcanic history. This discovery reshapes our understanding of the moon's evolution. It explains why the near side and far side are so different. The heat made the near side's crust thinner, allowing magma to surface. This finding has practical implications for future lunar missions. Understanding local geology is crucial for safety and science. The moon is a laboratory for studying rocky worlds' evolution. This discovery reignites our wonder about the moon. This remarkable discovery is the culmination of years, sometimes even decades, of tireless effort by a dedicated team of scientists, engineers, and visionaries. Behind every breakthrough, there are countless hours spent in labs, at computers, and in mission control rooms, all driven by a shared curiosity about our moon. At the heart of this achievement is NASA's GRAIL mission, a groundbreaking project designed to map the moon's gravity field with unprecedented precision, revealing secrets hidden beneath its surface. Two identical spacecraft, named Ebb and Flow, orbited the moon in tandem, carefully measuring tiny changes in the distance between them as they passed over different regions, collecting data never before possible. The data they gathered formed the foundation for discovering the moon's hidden warm region, providing a new window into the moon's mysterious interior. Scientists like Ryan Park, along with their colleagues, developed innovative techniques to analyze this complex data, pushing the boundaries of what we can learn from afar. By focusing on the moon's subtle tidal deformations, they were able to infer temperature deep within the lunar interior, unlocking clues about its geologic past. This story is a perfect example of how science advances by building on the work of those who came before and by constantly questioning and refining our understanding. The discovery wasn't a single eureka moment, but rather a collaborative process involving many minds working together, sharing ideas, and challenging each other. Ultimately, it was pieced together by a passionate community united in their dedication to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and expanding humanity's knowledge. The moon looks like two different worlds glued together. The near side has dark volcanic plains, while the far side is rugged and cratered. The lunar dichotomy has puzzled scientists for decades. The hidden warm region provides a compelling explanation. Heat made the near side's crust thinner, allowing magma to surface. The far side's thicker crust prevented magma from breaking through. This geological feature explains the difference between the hemispheres. The moon's two faces were shaped from within. The moon has always been a source of mystery and legend. One tale is the story of the 1976 hidden signal, a ghost story more than fact. Technicians allegedly heard a chilling message from the moon. "You're not supposed to be here." The story persists, capturing our curiosity about the unknown. It's a reminder that alongside rigorous science, there is wonder and imagination. The real discoveries, like the hidden warm room, are more amazing. The discovery of the Moon's hidden warm room begins a new chapter. Scientists will refine their understanding of this feature. Future missions will be designed with this discovery in mind. A robotic lander could measure the Moon's temperature directly. Future explorers could search for signs of the ancient volcanic system. This discovery reminds us that exploration is a journey that never ends. The Moon has secrets that it is only just beginning to reveal.